Listen. St. Lucie County, Florida, every bird on the screen is not from Earth, and they're all telling you one thing. Look up in the sky. We're not alone. There's nothing to fear. I'm telling you something amazing is here. Please keep an open mind. As far as you can see, there are birds. Listen. Look at this. These birds are telling you something. Every one of these birds is telling you something right now. Every one of these birds. Every bird on the freaking screen. Not just here. All down there. All across here. Look over here. Every one of these birds is telling you guys something. To look up. Look up right now. Look up. Thank you guys. Look in the background. Look down there. Every bird on the screen is not from Earth, believe it or not. We need to accept the fact that we're not alone. Every bird is looking this way. Every single bird. Every bird is telling you something right now. As far as the eye can see, they go way back there. As far as the eye can see. Thank you guys. Thank you. Look at the background. Watch. Look what's flying over. Again, look at the background. Look what's happening right here. Look at all this right now. I pulled over to the side of the road to show you guys this. I appreciate this, guys. Appreciate it. And pretty soon the world's gonna know. They're all gonna know. This is getting ridiculous. We're not alone. We've never been alone. All down here. All across. As far as the eye can see, they're all lined up. Telling you one thing. They love us and they're here. Right now, they're here. There's way more than that up there. Right now, it's the birds. Look at all the crosses going on in the sky. You think the aircraft are just having a party? I want to have a bird party tonight, though. Did you guys drink tequila? I'm making Bloody Marys tonight. All you guys are invited. Everybody. Everybody's invited. Everybody. Everybody. Everybody's invited. This is absolutely beautiful. Thank you guys. I respect you. The whole world loves birds. If you have a bird in a cage, keep it. Don't buy any more birds in cages. That's heartbreaking. I'll let you listen. You notice how they're lined up for the camera. Again, let's just look at what's crossing the screen right now as well. There's more coming. All the way around. Just want to show you the sky. Look how pretty this is, okay? There's nothing to fear, okay? But there is an organic spacecraft in the sky, believe it or not. Very large. The universe is here. They've been here for a long time, apparently. Just want to show you the background. Way back there, look. As far as you can see, they're lined up. This is really pretty. Oh my God. Thank you, guys. Jesus. All right, so tonight, my house party, okay? I'm going there right now, okay? I'll make some drinks and stuff. Ooh. That's absolutely amazing. Okay.